Hey guys, Infostation here. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, and really actually, I said I was gonna do a bunch of. I said sorry about that. I'm here with my sister.
Me too.
And I know I said I was gonna upload a bunch of videos of searching and sort and all that, and I didn't. The reason why is I forgot to mention during the summer I have what I like to call summer projects, and the reason I call them that is like summer reading. Oh, nah, I do my summer reading. Summer's almost up, and I don't. And well, forget that side topic. The fact is, the summer project, what they do for me is allow me to harness my skills and get new skills. The reason I said that is because last summer, my summer project was the game sphere, which eventually became Infostation was by itself. Game sphere was a side project, and I took the features from there and put it into Infostation. So basically, that's it. And so I harnessed my PHP skills last summer. This summer, I'm harnessing my JavaScript and my CSS. And yo, sorry about that. So something funny. And this time, for real, I mean, I'm just so proud of what I've done. Like, let me just show you guys real quick what I've done. Sorry, I already did this video, and I'm redoing it. Because, like, if you check, it's 27 minutes, which way exceeds the file. So, now, I made this design for my school because I went to the original site. We had done design, and it looks ugly. So, this is all CSS. And well, this is JavaScript, but all CSS, and I had done this from 358 till 524 to perfect this, and I'm so I would never be able to do this. Like, let me zoom in so you can see what I mean. This menu bar follows with you, and then when you start typing this using JavaScript, oh, well, I'm too far down on the page. It starts searching, and as you start typing, it starts searching and it's doing it on the fly. And like the search doesn't work on this, but let me show you because I'm doing this for my cell phone.
He's not even
See,
done.
look, gold. You see what I mean? Here, it does it on the fly, and that's pretty much it. I've done this with JavaScript and CSS, and if you notice, the page removes, and that's using JavaScript to draw. It gets the height of the left and the right column, compares them whichever is long, and then redraws the width. And I just find that because that's what I do with the summer projects. It allowed me to harness my skills. Usually, I have one summer project, and that was it. Would have been the case, and I wouldn't have been able to upload the videos, like I said. But then I did my own connect, which I will tell you guys later, maybe. Um, then I'm doing a project for my dad. This project for myself. I'm the site that no one knows about. I'm just remaking it, and then I also have to work on my site. So that's 5 projects. Yeah, I know I'm just making excuses, but I'll try my best to upload videos. And I didn't set out with the intention to do it, but it just happened. And I wanted to make it easy for my aunt to edit computers. And see, this is the original code which we'll be making. Because she's not really computer savvy. So what I did was I did this. When you click edit, it turns this into text field. And then as you start typing, it sends out the request to us with a script, which then gets the page. As the data to the database has been sent, we click done, it does it. So I could do this, take this to $100. Let me zoom in so you guys can see this. Opera is really cool. It has short keys like a mug. So then as you type, done, the price is now 100. So let's go gold. Here, see, price is 100. And that's basically it. So then, as I was doing this, I realized, yo, YouTube has this feature which allows you to edit your file, your video data, and then click save changes and it'll save it. So I was like, well, mine does it as you type. So I decided, let me make a tutorial for these guys, show them how to do it. I mean, they might already know, but just so if they don't know, they can learn. And that's it. I'll teach you both ways how to type and how to click the button and click save. All right. So now, sorry about that. Let's start out by declaring the document. So now, so As you guys, like I said in the update, I'm in Saudi Arabia right now. It's actually very hot in here. I turned off the AC so you wouldn't hear it in the background. And oh my god, I am dying of this heat. So, shut up, bro. It's so funny because a year ago, I would have not thought if someone said you'd be creating a JavaScript tutorial and uploading it to YouTube, I would have been like, ha, you funny. And this is where we put the script. Alright. Now, this, we have to give other tags we want to send and get data from. We give them IDs. So let's call this title. Sorry, real quickly. And it's page 2 p-id equals body. Remember these. Sorry about that. My little sister of the balloon. Sorry guys, it's really hot in here. As you can see, my little sister's being a pest. Won't shut up. Okay. And as you can see, we only have 8 minutes until I reach the 15-minute limit. So I'll stop when I answer the text. As you can see, it's already here. Like I said, I've done this tutorial already. It's just, it was too long. And he said, why can't YouTube upload it and allow it to be 30 minutes? And then I tried to apply for a partnership. And he's like, oh, then you're too young to apply for a partnership. Like, screw you, YouTube. Do whatever I want. Can't do nothing about it. Sorry about that. Okay. Now we'll create a button which they'll click, as you can see right here. And this is the end project. I did this already. Stupid tutorial. I'll upload the original video to my site. So actually no, I won't, because my little sisters had gone to bathroom. They weren't with me from the start. So I closed the laptop, and that resulted in it being frozen. So the video didn't even show any code, it just got frozen. Probably should stop this. I'll let it finish. So anyway, ID, edit, edit me. That's what we call it. As you can see, this is bigger. Yeah, that's the point. And if you go to this site right now, it won't be there. I'm sorry about that. I'll try to upload it. Cause I have TeamViewer and I'll be able to connect to my. Actually, it should be 11 right now. Let me check what these people are up to. Let's spy my mom because I'm cool like that. And as you can see, this is the edit. This is the final product. I'll leave it up for like a few seconds so you can see it and you can pause the video. Alright. ID on click. Now on click is a JavaScript event handler. And we'll call this update. Well actually we'll call it edit one. Okay, so event handler allows you to set an event or call a function and do whatever depending on what happens. On click means when they click on it. So if a person wants to click like this, then you'll see it. There's also on mouse over. When they hover above it, it will do it. On mouse out, when they hover and then move out. And there's a bunch of there's on key up, which we'll be using to detect if a person press a key and then let go. And there's on key down, so when a person press down the key. And we'll be using on key up. You could use on key down. It's just you don't want to use them both at the same time, or else it will just replicate. So they like, I mean, if it's updating, then yeah. But anything else, I don't think so. So I think we'll use both. So save it. And then when they click on it, we only got 5 minutes. So I'll create the functions we need. create function, and as you can see, Notepad Notepad plus plus it reloads itself so a couple of times and then checks the document there. And as you can see, this is the file current. This is an old one. It's been modified. You want to be taxed, so I want to save it. And I would say yes, but just in case I'm in mistake. So you remember, this is how you declare a function in JavaScript like you do in PHP. Say function, the name of the function, which could be anything you want, and then parameters. You can have as much as you separate them by that. You can name them whatever. I'm just gonna call this A, and have it called ID or whatever. So, alright, function edit. We'll need function done. And at the end of this, you won't see me do it now, but I'll add this. I add a text file explaining everything, and I also add it to the code. So I do this, and then I'll start typing. This will be so just to give you a hint as to what does what. So when you get it on your own, you won't be lost and confused. We also need to create function update, and before we create that, we actually have to call function get HTTP object, and I'll explain to that what that is. Let's just call it HTTP. Alright, fine. Let's call it object. And let me explain to you that it's not what these functions will do. Eat up the rest of 4 minutes. Actually, after I'm done, I'll just stop. Function edit will then take the value that's here, these values, and put this in input form, put this in the text field, so they'll be able to edit it. And then I'll show you how to do each, how to do it as they type, and then how to do it with a button. So they could click the button, or they could click. Actually, we'll do it. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I don't know which one I'll do, but I'll show you both how to be able to do it. I'll show you with the typing, and after the tutorial is done, I'll just show you real quickly how to change it and make it so when they click on the button. So if you want to save on the bandwidth when sending and doing the function done, is it will take the values from the input and the text field, the values, the new ones, and then it will revert back to this. We'll take away the text box, we'll take away the text field, and just show the plain text. This will allow us to get the data that we have achieved and send it to another script over an HTTP request, because HTTP is how you access web address and all that. You see HTTP and all that. I'll explain it, and it will allow us to get the data and send it to a file on a server, and then that file will then work with it and insert it into the database. And the reason we have this in update will be using this to be able to send the data. So HTTP object, get HTTP object will be the initial one that actually allows you to be able to connect to a script, while update will be using that to connect to the script and thus sending the data and thus allowing you to update the field. And as you can see, it's 406. Maybe you won't be able to see, but catch you guys later. We'll take off from here. See ya.